You guys going for a ride? Is it fun?
I get down.
Hold on, she's trying to get off. Yeah. You gonna go for a ride? Do you want him to push you? Will you push Brielle? Put your feet up. All right, go ahead, push. Not pull, push. Yeah, there you go. Good boy. Push. Steer, Brielle. Don't hit the pool. You want to turn? Say, excuse me. I don't think Brielle was done yet. Can Brielle push Searle? You get on, CJ. Maybe Brielle would push you. Go give her a push. She's stuck. Go give her a push. Good boy. Can he ride behind you? Searle, she's still riding. She's riding. You need to wait for your turn. No, she's riding.